Hi, in this video, let us solve a linear equation with one variable. Let us take this example 5y minus 7 is equal to 13, right? For the first step, keep the variable on one side and constants on the other side, right? Our goal is to keep all the variables on one side of the equation and all the constants on the other side of the equation, right? In this equation, on the left hand side, we have the variable term 5y and constant 7 is subtracted from it, right? And on the right hand side we have the constant 13. Since we already have the constant 13 on the right hand side, so we want to remove the constant 7 from the left hand side, right? Because on the left hand side 7 is subtracted, so we need to add 7 to cancel it out. But remember, an equation must remain balanced, so whatever we do to one side of the equation, we must do the same to the other side, right? Therefore, we also add 7 to the right hand side. Let us see how we do it. We have 5y minus 7 is equal to 13, and I want to remove 7 from left hand side so that we will have only variable 5y, right? So because there is a minus 7, I will have a plus 7, and because I'm adding 7 on the left hand side, I will also add 7 on the right hand side so that the equation will be balanced, right? So on the left hand side we have minus 7 and plus 7, that is 0. Okay, so we will have 5y, this is equal to 13 plus 7 is 20, right? Now we have successfully moved the constant to the other side by adding 7 to both sides, right? And we are left with the variable 5y on the left hand side, right? Now we go to step number 2, that is to find the value of y. Okay, so on the left hand side the variable y is multiplied by 5. You see 5y is nothing but 5 multiplied by y, right? So to isolate y, we need to undo the multiplication by 5, right? The opposite operation of multiplication is division. Therefore, we divide both sides of the equation by 5. And remember, we must divide both sides by 5 to keep the equation balanced. So, 5y is equal to 20. This is what we have now. What I will do, this is what we have now. I will divide left hand side by 5, right? And I will divide right hand side by 5 as well. So on the left hand side, this 5 and this 5 will cancel each other out. Therefore, on the left hand side we have only y, and this is equal to 20 divided by 5 is 4, right? Therefore, the value of y is 4. So we have y is equal to 4, right? So just remember this important rule. Whatever you do to the one side of an equation, you must do the same to the other side, right? This keeps the equation balanced and ensures the equality remains true, right? So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.